Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about my journey to heal my gut and share some tips that have helped me with bloating and digestion issues. I struggled with gut issues for years and it was a long journey to find the right solutions that worked for me. But I'm happy to say that I've finally found the right balance and feel so much better. So, let's dive into the tips that helped me heal my gut. Tip 1. Eat a balanced diet. The first tip that I have for gut health is to eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet that is high in fiber and nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help promote healthy digestion. It's also important to avoid processed foods, high sugar and fatty foods, and excessive alcohol as they can be hard on the gut. Tip 2. Take probiotics. The second tip that I have for gut health is to take probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that live in the gut and help promote a healthy digestive system. I take a probiotic supplement every day, but you can also get probiotics through fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Tip 3. Manage stress. The third tip that I have for gut health is to manage stress. Stress can have a big impact on gut health and digestion. When we're stressed, our body goes into fight or flight mode, which can cause digestive issues like bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. So, it's important to find ways to manage stress such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Tip 4. Drink plenty of water. The fourth tip that I have for gut health is to drink plenty of water. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body, which is important for a healthy gut. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day can help keep your gut healthy and hydrated. Tip 5. Exercise regularly. The fifth tip that I have for gut health is to exercise regularly. Exercise can help improve digestion by stimulating the muscles in the gut. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress levels, which, as we already discussed, is important for gut health. So, those are my top tips for gut health. Remember, healing your gut takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Eating a balanced diet, taking probiotics, managing stress, drinking plenty of water, and exercising regularly can all help promote a healthy gut and reduce bloating and digestion issues. Thanks for watching, and if you have any tips or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. See you in the next one.